Honorable Minister, Road Transport, National Highway, Shipping and Rural Development of India, our President, Mr. Sushanta Kumar Basu, Honorable MP, Harichandraji Chauhan Sahab, our past President, Mr. Sinaya, Vice President, Avinash Patil, my colleague Rameshwar Malani, all past presidents of Builders Association of India, state chairmen and office bearers all over India. Today, we have inaugurated our 2-day seminar, which is known to all of you. Basically, I first thanks Honorable Minister Gadkari sir that he has accepted our invitation, and though he is very busy handling such a huge charge in central government, but he has given his confirmation within no time, and for that I also thanks Suresh Baba Patil for giving us this opportunity. Also in Delhi, Harichandra Chauhan Sahib, he has also helped us to organize the thing. As all of us know, Gadkari sir is a pioneer of IPP, BOT, DBFT, big projects, infra projects in India. We have all experienced his tenure of PWD minister in Maharashtra 1995 to 2000. In a very shortest time, today what we are seeing in Mumbai was a brainchild of Gadkari sir, and also we have experienced the fastest construction of Pune-Mumbai Expressway. Today, we are starting our seminar for the opportunities and challenges in construction industry in India. Gadkari sir already knows the facts, challenges and opportunities. Our other friends are going to ask many questions. This is an introductory session, so I will not take much time of yours, but some few points I want to put forward to this house. Sir, as you know, we are builders, contractors, infrastructure developers. We all are depending on government policies and government bylaws, rules, regulations. Basically, as you know, this construction industry, there are some set norms which are from Britishers' day. Today, they are all age-old and outdated. So we request you to make these changes matching to the current requirements and with the time. Second thing, entire India, there are many registrations required for contractors. See, PWD, we require another registration, PWD, DRDO, in state government, we require 5-6 registrations. Over and above, other PF, ESIC, this, that. So we request you to make this registration process one single registration, any government department in India. Second thing, simplicity and clarity in tax structure. Construction industry is a money-making business for government. Whenever they feel they want to earn more taxes or they want to collect more taxes, they will just come to the real estate, construction or infrastructure. This is what our experience is. So we request here to clarify, make more simplicity in the taxes. We don't mind paying taxes, but it should be clear. Whatever tax structure is defined, it is no one is sure of ambiguity, or construction business should be given a status of industry. All banks and financial institutions should consider construction industry as a priority business. Nowadays, all of us know what type of problems we are facing and all. With this, I don't want to cover all the points which my honorable members want to ask. So I conclude my speech, and again I welcome all of you, different associations from Nasik district, then press, everyone. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.